Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about an NCERT question which is given in the class 9th science textbook chapter atomic structure. So let's look at that question so that you will understand how to solve any question of structure of atom which is of that kind of model in any competitive exams or your board examinations. So let's get right into the topic. So the question that I am going to read today for you is composition of the nuclei of two atomic species X and Y are given as under. That means of two nucleus the composition is given, the data is given as protons. How many protons of X and how many protons of the Y. These are two nucleus. Nuclei is plural, nucleus is singular. So this is X and this is Y. And number of protons, number of neutrons we have to so 6 protons in the X nuclei and 6 neutrons. And Y nucleus 6 protons and 8 neutrons. The question that they are asking is that give the mass numbers of X and Y. And there is also another part to the question, but first let us solve what is the mass number of X and Y. In the last classes I told you that mass number equals the number of protons and number of neutrons. So number of protons of X is 6 and number of neutrons is 6. So mass number is equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. So mass number of X is equals to 12. So what about the mass number of Y? Number of protons plus number of neutrons. 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. So mass number of Y is equals to 14. What is the 6 and what is this 8? This is number of protons and number of neutrons. Why we are calculating this? Because in the question they have asked what is the mass number of the X nucleus and the Y nucleus. So to find the mass number we have to add up both the number of protons and number of neutrons. So that is what exactly I did here. So this is one part of the question. Please note it down. Also in the link in the description down below I will be giving you notes for this textual solution. So please note it down from there. So let's get into the next part of the question. What is the relation between the two species? He is asking what is the relation between the X and Y. That means the X and Y are two nucleus, right? So what is exactly the relation between those two is asking. Since the atomic numbers are same, it belongs to the same atom, that is carbon atom. 6th position in periodic table is carbon. And in the Y nuclei again number of protons is 6 but number of neutrons is 8. Same atomic number but different mass numbers. If you remember the isotopes definition, same atomic number, their isotopes are nothing but two species which have same atomic number but different mass number. And what is mass number? The sum of protons and neutrons. So here you can see that X and Y are isotopes. So what are X and Y? X and Y are isotopes. Why they are isotopes? Because they have same atomic number, number 6, which belongs to carbon, but they have different mass numbers. We have calculated the mass numbers of both these two. So this is the solution for the textual question. So you have to understand the isotopes definition, you have to know what is atomic number, and you have to know atomic number equals to number of protons, and you have to know what is mass number. Mass number equals number of protons plus number of neutrons, and also you have to know what is a nucleon. He may twist the question by asking How many nucleons are there? Nucleons are nothing but the number of protons and number of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is called nucleon, as I told you in the earlier classes. So that's all for today's class. If you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask me in the comment section down below. I'll definitely reply within few minutes. So you have to get your notes down below, which is absolutely free of cost, in the Google Drive link. And also, if you did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends. Thank you very much.